हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन इन स्फेरिकल पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट। So in that Cartesian coordinate, if you have any point P, so the coordinate will be x, y, z. Now, so this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, this is your z-axis. So in this spherical coordinate, if you have any point P, so the coordinate will be r theta phi, r theta phi, where r is the distance between the point and the origin. So your r is the distance from the origin to the point, okay, and theta is the angle from the positive x-axis, this is your theta. So this theta can rotate full 0 to 2 pi. So this point can be rotated. So theta is the angle from positive x-axis. So your theta range will be 0 to 2 pi. Now phi is the angle between the positive z-axis and the point. So this is your phi. So if you see, your phi can vary 0 to pi here. Angle from the point to the z-axis, so your phi range will be 0 to pi. This is the maximum limit of phi pi, because this phi can be 0 to pi only, because it's angle from z-axis, okay. And r is the distance from the origin to the point. So this, it has no limit, it can be anything, but it is positive. It will vary from 0 to some number, okay. So these are the parameters. Now the relation between Cartesian coordinate to polar coordinate, we have x equal to r sin phi cos theta, and y equal to r sin phi sin theta, and z equal to r cos phi. So this is the transformation equation from Cartesian coordinate to polar coordinate, spherical polar coordinate. And if you solve this equation, so we get r square equal to x square plus y square plus z square. R square equal to x square plus y square plus z square. For the given any triple integration, how to convert in that spherical coordinate? So f x y z dx dy dz, fine. So what we do, in the place of x we'll put r sin phi cos theta, in the place of y we'll put r sin phi sin theta, in the place of z we'll have the r cos phi, and this dx dy dz, it will convert with the Jacobian. Dx dy dz equal to Jacobian j and dr d phi d theta, okay, where Jacobian from x y z to r phi theta. So this is the 3x3 matrix. So I am not finding Jacobian here, I will give some other video for this. So Jacobian for this transformation will be r square sin phi, r square sin phi. So your dx dy dz will be r square sin phi and dr d phi d theta. So this is transformation, and the limit of r, theta and phi we need to find out for the given problem, for the given region. So let us see few problems based on spherical polar coordinate. Now the first problem we have triple integration x square plus y square plus z square dz dy dx over the region V, and V is given sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1. So let us transform in the spherical coordinate. X equal to r sin phi cos theta, y equal to r sin phi sin theta, and z equal to r cos phi, and your dx dy dz equal to r square sin phi dr d phi d theta. So we'll have the triple integration, and r square equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So here we have r square, and dz dy dx equal to r square sin phi dr d phi d theta. Now this r limit will be 0 to 1 because the r square equal to 1. So this r is start from 0 and maximum it can go for 1. So this is a limit, and phi will be for the sphere, phi will be full 0 to pi, and theta, so for theta you have to come for the xy plane. So z equal to 0, so x square plus y square equal to 1, so one circle. So for full circle theta equal to 0 to 2 pi. So this is the limit. So if you solve this one, so we get 0 to 2 pi and 0 to pi, so r power 4. So if you integrate, so we get r power 5 by 5, fine, sin 5 limit is 0 to 1 and sin phi d phi d theta. So this will be 32 by 5, 0 to 2 pi, and sin phi integration will be minus cos phi. So minus cos phi, so limit 0 to pi, so cos pi minus cos 0 d theta. So this will be minus 2, so 32 by 5 into 2 into 2 pi. So we get answer 128 pi by 5. So this is the answer for this question. Now in the same problem, if you take the region in this sphere in the first octant, so everything same, only the limit part will change. So in the first octant, what is the limit? So r limit will be 0 to 1, and in the first octant your 0 to 1, and your theta limit will be, phi limit will be 0 to pi by 2, 0 to half, because your maximum angle can be pi by 2 in the first octant, and theta limit will be, if you go for the circle in the first octant, so if this is the pi, this is circle, okay. So this is first answer. So theta limit will be 0 to pi by 2 and phi limit will be 0 to pi by 2. So this is the limit for the first octant in the same problem, okay. Let us take one problem 0 to 3, 0 to under root 9 minus y square, and under root x square plus y square to 18 minus x square minus y square, x square plus y square plus z square dz dx dy. So solve this integral using spherical polar coordinate. So for spherical polar coordinate, we need to know the limits of r, theta and phi. That is the important part. So let us try to get. So first y limit is given 0 to 3. Your y limit is 0 to 3. It means if you take, so this is the your y, so 1 2 3 somewhere here. So this is the in positive, y is the positive here, fine. Now if you take x limit, so x is positive and 9 minus y square. So if you see this one, so we get x square equal to 9 minus y square, which imply x square plus y square equal to 9. So x is positive and is circle, so we come like this. So this is circle, fine, x axis, y axis. Now the third limit, z. So z is, we have x square plus y square less than or equal to z less than or equal to 18 minus x square minus y square. So we can get here, if you see, so this upper limit will be z equal to 18 minus x square minus y square under root. So if you square and simplify, so we get x square plus y square plus z square equal to 18. So r square equal to 18. So r equal to 3 root 2. So your r limit will be 0 to 3 root 2 because it's positive only. So we won't take negative. R is the distance. So r vary from 0 to 3 root 2. Okay. R limit is 0 to 3 root 2. So let me write here. Your r limit is 0 to 3 root 2. And theta is the angle from positive x-axis. So this is the your region. So 0 to max, the range is 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. So theta we have 0 to 2 pi. And now we can find the phi. So from this lower range, so your lower range is, upper range is z equal to under root x square plus y square. So z square equal to x square plus y square. Okay. So 2z square equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So r square, fine. Now we know z equal to, in the transformation, z equal to r cos phi. So we have r square equal to 2 and z equal to r cos phi means r square cos square phi. So which imply cos square phi equal to 1 by 2, which imply cos phi equal to 1 upon root 2. So phi equal to pi by 4. So your phi range is 0 to pi by 4. So we can find in the Cartesian spherical coordinate. So triple integration. So here we have x square plus y square plus z square. So we'll have r square here, fine. And in the place of dx dy dz we have r square sin phi and dr d phi d theta. And your limit will be, r limit will be 0 to 3 root 2, fine, 3 root 2, and phi limit will be 0 to pi by 4, and theta limit is 0 to pi by 2. So this is your v. So now integrate, so we get 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 4, and r power 5 by 5, so 3 root 2 power 5 by 5, and sine phi d phi d theta. So we get 3 root 2 by 5 power 5, and sine phi integration is minus cos theta, so 0 to pi by 2 minus cos phi 0 to pi by 4 d theta. So this will be, if you simplify, so we get 3 root 2 by 5 power 5, and this is the minus cos phi, so minus cos pi by 4 minus cos 0, and this last integration is theta to pi by 2, pi by 2. So finally your answer will be minus cos pi by 4 1 upon root 2 minus 1 pi by 2 and 3 root 2 power 5 by 5, 2 by 5. So this is answer. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.